AI spoken English practice. My dear friends, today I want to talk about something very important for English learners all over the world. It is called AI spoken English practice. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they do not have someone to practice with. Some do not have English classes near them. Some feel shy to speak in front of others. Some think their English is not good enough. But now, things have changed. And the reason is simple. AI can help you practice speaking English anytime, anywhere. You do not need a teacher in front of you. You do not need a partner. You do not need to feel shy. You only need your phone or computer. With AI, you can practice speaking every day, even if you are alone. What is AI spoken English practice? AI spoken English practice means using artificial intelligence to improve your English speaking skills. The AI listens to you. The AI talks to you. The AI corrects your mistakes. The AI gives you feedback. The AI becomes your speaking partner. It is like having a personal English tutor that is always ready to help you. AI does not judge you. AI does not laugh at your mistakes. AI does not get tired. AI does not get angry. AI is patient. AI is friendly. AI is available 24 hours a day. That is why many students enjoy practicing English with AI. So why is speaking practice important? Speaking is one of the most important parts of learning English. You can read many books. You can watch many videos. You can study grammar rules. But if you never speak, you will not improve your fluency. When you speak, your mouth learns to move faster. Your mind learns to think in English. Your confidence grows. Your ideas become clearer. Speaking helps you become a better communicator. Many learners know English grammar. They know many English words, but they cannot speak confidently. Why? Because they do not practice speaking. Speaking is a skill. And like any skill, you must practice it again and again. AI makes this easier for you. 3. How does AI help you speak better? AI helps in many simple and effective ways. AI listens to your voice. When you speak, AI understands your words. It can detect your pronunciation. It can hear your mistakes. It can check your fluency. You get instant feedback. The AI talks back to you. You can have real conversations with AI. You can talk about daily life, work, school, travel, food, news, or anything you want. This helps you practice natural English. See, AI corrects your grammar. If you make grammar mistakes, AI shows you the correct sentence. This helps you learn good grammar in a natural way. The AI gives you new vocabulary. When you speak, the AI introduces new words. You learn new vocabulary in real situations, not from boring lists. AI improves your pronunciation. AI can show you how to pronounce words correctly. It can repeat the word slowly. It can compare your pronunciation with native speakers. AI builds your confidence. When you speak with AI, you do not feel shy or nervous. There is no pressure. You can practice freely. Slowly, you become more confident. For what can you talk about with AI? The best part of AI English practice is that you can talk about anything. Here are some simple ideas. Your morning routine. Your job or studies. Your hobbies. Your dreams and goals. Your family. Your daily activities. English lessons. Travel plans. Food you like. Movies and music. Places in your country. Topics from your life. You can choose simple topics. You can choose advanced topics. AI adapts to your level. 5. How to practice speaking with AI every day. To improve your English, you must practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Here is a simple daily routine. Step 1. Warm up your mouth 1 minute. Speak simple sentences. I am ready to practice. I want to speak English clearly. I can improve with practice. Step 2. Start a conversation with AI 5 to 10 minutes. Choose a topic and speak naturally. Do not worry about mistakes. Step 3. Ask AI to correct your mistakes. Say, "Please correct my grammar." Or, "Tell me if my pronunciation is wrong." Step 4. Repeat corrected sentences. Repeat the correct sentence 3 times. This helps you remember. Step 5. Learn 2 to 3 new words from AI. Use them in a sentence. Step 6. End with confident sentences. I did well today. I am improving every day. I will speak better tomorrow. This simple routine helps you grow step by step. 6 benefits of AI spoken English practice. Here are some big advantages. 1. Practice anytime. You do not need to wait for anyone. You can practice morning, afternoon, night, whenever you want. 2. No fear. You do not feel shy when speaking to AI. There is no judgment. 3. Fast improvement. Daily speaking practice helps your speaking skills grow quickly. 4. Personalized learning. AI learns your level and gives you the right difficulty. 5. Immediate feedback. You do not need to wait for the teacher. AI corrects instantly. 6. Build strong confidence. The more you speak, the more confident you become. 7. Helps with real-life English. You learn how to speak naturally, not like a textbook. 8. Fun and enjoyable. Many students enjoy speaking with AI because it feels like talking to a friend. 7. Simple speaking exercises you can do with AI. Here are some easy activities. Exercise 1. Describe your day. Talk about what you did from morning to evening. Ask AI to correct your grammar. Exercise 2. Short storytelling. Tell a simple story. It can be real or made up. Exercise 3. Role play. Ask AI, "Let's do a role play." You can practice. Ordering food. Booking a hotel. Job interview. Talking to a doctor. Meeting a friend. Exercise 4. Vocabulary practice. Tell AI, "Give me 5 new words." Make sentences with them. Exercise 5. Pronunciation practice. Ask AI, "How do I pronounce this word?" Repeat until you get it right. Exercise 6. English questions. Ask AI simple questions like, "What is the meaning of this word? How can I speak more fluently? How do I use this sentence?" 8 common mistakes learners make, and how AI helps. 1. Speaking too slowly. AI helps you speak faster by giving natural conversation. 2. Using the same simple words. AI gives new vocabulary. 3. Incorrect pronunciation. AI shows you the correct way to say the word. 4. Grammar mistakes. AI corrects your sentences in real time. 5. Lack of confidence. AI removes fear and helps you practice freely. 9. How to make the best use of AI. Here are some tips. Practice every day. Speak aloud, not silently. Do not worry about mistakes. Ask many questions. Try new topics. Listen to AI carefully. Repeat difficult sentences. Celebrate your progress. You will see improvement in a few weeks. 10 final words. My dear friends, AI spoken English practice is a powerful tool for all English learners. It helps you speak more clearly. It helps you speak more confidently. It helps you practice every day. It gives you feedback. It supports your learning journey. Remember this. If you speak with AI every day, you will become a fluent English speaker. Do not be afraid. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start now. Speak 1 sentence. Then speak more. You will grow step by step. Your English will improve. Your confidence will rise. Your future will become brighter. And AI will walk with you on this journey.